Hi, hello, namaskara friends. How are you all? I hope all of you doing good. Welcome to Acad's Pro Spoken Kannada class session 9. This is Siri. Today let us learn questioning words in Kannada. You know questioning words in English, we have so many question words like what, where, when, why, who, whom. So many question words are there, right? So in Kannada we use a set of question words we'll learn today. Okay. Starting with first word what. What. In Kannada ಏನು. In Kannada ಏನು. When ಯಾವಾಗ. This is always indicates time. When ಯಾವಾಗ time. Why ಯಾಕೆ. This is always indicates a reason. Why ಯಾಕೆ. Where ಎಲ್ಲಿ. In Kannada ಎಲ್ಲಿ. This indicates place, location. Where ಎಲ್ಲಿ. Which ಯಾವ. This indicates think. Always indicates think. Which ಯಾವ. Who ಯಾರು. Who ಯಾರು. Whom ಯಾರನ್ನು. Whom ಯಾರನ್ನು. Whose ಯಾರದು. Whose ಯಾರದು. Next segment of questioning words are how. How ಹೇಗೆ. How ಹೇಗೆ. How much. When we want to know a price of something, we use how much, right? How much ಎಷ್ಟು in Kannada. ಎಷ್ಟು in Kannada. How many. When we want to know quantity of something, we use how many. How many ಎಷ್ಟು. Again ಎಷ್ಟು in Kannada. For how much and how many, for both words we use ಎಷ್ಟು in Kannada. Okay friends, let's move to some examples. Okay, first one, what is your name? Very basic question. What is your name? Nimma, you already know. Your meaning is Nimma in Kannada. Nimma ಹೆಸರು ಏನು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು. Where is your office? Where is your office? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ. We are asking location or place. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Which is your car? Which is your car? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ ಯಾವುದು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ ಯಾವುದು. Okay. How are you? Very important question in our life. How are you? We often use this question, right? ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ in Kannada. ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. Okay, clear? How much price for 1 kg tomatoes? When we go market and we want to ask price of some vegetables, price of some provisions, then we use this kind of sentence, isn't it? How much price for 1 kg tomatoes? ಒಂದು in Kannada. ಒಂದು in Kannada. 1 kg tomato ಬೆಲೆ. Price means ಬೆಲೆ. Price means ಬೆಲೆ in Kannada. 1 kg ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ ಬೆಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು. 1 kg ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ ಬೆಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು. Okay, you can substitute anything here, like 1 kg fruit, 1 kg potato, 1 kg carrot, or 1 kg rice. You can substitute anything here. So 1 kg rice ಬೆಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು. Okay, I hope all of you enjoying our Kannada class, and please use these words in your daily conversation, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos and hit a like button too. Okay, I wish you all the best friends. Thank you. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.